Alright, so this is my first ever chainsaw. I've always wanted a chainsaw. And this came available that ran on all of my batteries that all my other power tools do. All the reviews I've seen, this is more powerful than gas. More torque, more speed. So, first go. That was awesome. Did you see how the thing just ripped through that?
Mm-hmm.
That was the first cut. That is so awesome.
It's so smooth of a cut, too.
Yeah, that is nuts.
That one was fast.
Yeah, that was really dry wood. But this one right here is really hard and thick wood. I mean, I think that's cherry, I think. And still, I mean,
That's some pretty hard wood.
okay. Yeah, I'm impressed. I need some more wood. Alright. Who wants a tree cut down?
This is how serial killers are made. They get a chainsaw and they love it.
This sound. And that's the other thing, there's no like going all the time, it's just it's so quiet. The battery is still full.
So that could last on a full battery for like weeks?
It says that it will do 10-inch logs, 150 cuts per battery. And there's 2 batteries. And this thing really doesn't weigh much either. Ooh.